This app is very useful if you have Windows laptop and an iPhone, because you know the problem, right? If you're using Windows laptop and using an iPhone, it is very inconvenient to transfer the files. So I'm talking about the app which is developed by Intel, and the name of the app is Intel Unison. So this app allows you to transfer the files from your iPhone to laptop and laptop to iPhone without any wire, and it is very convenient. The next thing, it offers gallery sync, so you can see all your photos from your laptop. No need to scroll through your Photos app on your iPhone. Also, you can receive all the notifications on your laptop, but the problem is you can't reply to them. But the good thing is you can use iMessages from your Windows laptop. And if you get any calls, you can answer the calls from your laptop. So to sum up, I can say this app is very useful for iPhone users who don't have Mac. And this app is very seamless. I mean, it does not have any lag or anything. And it works with Intel processor laptops and even AMD processor laptops right now. So there's no issue with the compatibility. But for Android users, I can say Phone Link app is still the better option. So this app is extremely useful for iPhone users who have Windows PC. So share this video with your friends who is using iPhone and Windows laptop, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.